It was a scorcher today, and I'm going to do some quick upgrades to the propagation station to try to give the plants a little bit of a break from this heat. You can see a lot of the projects I've done videos about in the past, and especially over here, it's just a wall. It's a verdant wall of, propagated plants. However, the sun rises right here and it tracks across the sky this way, and it's setting over there, right about there right now. And so what I've done is I haven't priced burlap in a long time. It is very affordable. And this was a 4-foot by 40-foot roll. And I believe it was like $26 delivered. Kind of incredible. Burlap, if you look real close, see the fine hairs in there? This was being advertised as a 50% sunblock or 50% shade. I think it's less. I think it's only 40%, but 40% is still plenty to give these guys a break. Another reason why I'm doing this is I have an inexpensive air pump here, and I'm going to be setting up a bubbler bath so that way I can try to do more cuttings rooting in water, like the lemongrass and like all these fun willows that are doing really, really well. In fact, I just planted out a couple of these. These are hybrid poplar, and a couple of them already had roots. But I think if the water was aerated and moving, I think there would be a lot less likelihood of the water rooting failing. So anyway, let me put up this burlap and see what it looks like when it's done. So there's the first one. I'm going to tighten it up a little bit. I'm thinking I'm going to do another panel here, and then maybe do another one over here, but this one's optional. And before anyone says, I know they make products that do this. They make very specific shade cloths that are pretty cheap, probably as cheap as the burlap. But even though I'm in a plastic building surrounded by plastic stuff, I still try to use as little as I possibly can. And if I had my way, I'd be in a glass building and everything would be wood and stainless. But that's a stretch goal right there. Anyway, I'm excited to try it. It is by no means done, but it's already considerably darker in here. So far as an experiment, I'm very happy. This is absolutely going to help with the blazing heat. Kind of a fun, fast project. I'll report back how much it helps the plants.